Mûini wĩ gatû Carol Mwaura, well known for the hit song Nĩngũkũrũmĩrĩra, nĩarakorirwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ya kĩeha mwena-inĩ wake wa Facebook. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩratigire nginya mafans ake makĩigua tha thutha wake kuumbũra ndeto cia kũmakania, akiuga ũrĩa rĩmwe nĩakinyaga handũ akarĩra maithori, akaihũrwo nĩ kĩeha kĩingĩ mũno nginya akaigua atangĩ give up. Nĩarakorirwo akiumbũra atĩ ona gũtirĩ mũndũ ũĩ ruo rũrĩa ke ageragĩra. No one knows the pains that she's been through. No one knows the real her. No one knows the many times that she has cried, the many times she has felt like giving up, the many times that she has had to hold back her tears, the many times that she has also had to fight bad thoughts going through her mind. No kĩrĩa kĩmũigaga muoyo, what keeps her going, what keeps her getting through all the challenges is the love that she has for her loved ones, more so her kids. Na ararekereirie ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ akiuga, nobody knows the real me. Nobody knows how many times I've sat in my room and cried, how many times I've lost hope, how many times I've been let down, how many times I have felt like I was going to snap, how many times I've had to hold back tears. When I'm sad, the bad thoughts that go through my mind, cry behind closed doors and fight battles that nobody knows about. I keep myself together for the ones I love. Only those who have known the darkness can truly appreciate the light. It was quite a heavy message coming from her heart. Na mafans ake nĩmarakorirwo makĩmũmĩrĩria nginya makĩmwĩra atĩ she's not the only one, but in fact she has spoken for 99 others who are going through the same things behind closed doors. And they encouraged her, makĩmwĩra she is a strong woman, she is their inspiration. Nao maramwĩra atĩ challenges will always be there, but every day is a new day. Koguo she has to keep going, and they love the strength that she has. And they want her to remain strong for her and for her kids, and to keep going. Tondũ ũrĩa gwakĩa ũmũthĩ tiguo gũgakĩa rũciũ. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.